Bible along ketok mate Jisu Kristo pulo sining ring me kerabja phan ke atwari swer lake hempu Jisu Kristo phan ke kroi hinlo bonta hempu Jisu Kristo amen ke en chot penle sining ring me kerab dun longji lapukali hempu Jisu Kristo kapin khat mate 10 commandments lake kroi atumsi sining ring me rabdun long choji tangte nangli 10 commandments Jisu Kristo kipu alam the kroi loma Kardom nelemen Chandrasing Rongpi afangsi en ikar bilait kelangara dona phan kardom na pachereklo kardom ani wangta nangli tuma phan akenang sot lapen project a beta na keban pi bomason thotsi pinila thotsi tame nangli tuma phan isi project a beta na keban pije phansi nomneli kar chap lake kar benglong along ri dipkorong so pipen te pocket matipung rong kang thim along si nomneli teklo pini neli na kaumri ke bang adim lake ingdeng troxi ningkan sekame pi biblical baptist church fellowship atum dak ningkan sekame pi katalon along si nomneli teklo labangso katalon along alang litum dak mondoli ko an pen sila bangso katalon ma la pen pening ingdeng troxi an katalon along ko pipi asai ang deng si kedeng ma la pen alang litum la dak pini ko pipi asai si kedeng pon ma lahi hui sitame ang ton alam kachini ponja phaneli non malam so pipen bor ipon po nang litum teglong lo video journalist nang litum phan napak lang pon po la dak alir alon pen alang litum ingdeng troxi ningkan esek amepi biblical baptist church fellowship atum labangso ame pachun pon lo alang litum kedam tang thang achiklo ni phai engkoi ra ner kep arni pen pini there achiklo ni phai hini arni an lo labangso alang litum asai kedeng pon da si thang achiklo ni phai engkoi ra ner kep arni pen alang litum labangso asai kedeng pon lapen pini arni an ke there pochiklo ni phai hini arni an lo lapen pini ke kepa jutsi arni klo lasi ladak jasame biblical baptist church fellowship atum ladak alang litum mondoli ko an doma lapen alang litum jasame bangke arna malam ke chithan pon lapen ladak pen kupipi si alang litum kaching bai padopon malabang sam melo nai hui sitame kaching ki kachithan phan boti pon pon lapen isi kathan damne Christian atum latante denomination topic la alang litum denomination aputak sitame leli ethetini kaching ki kachithan phan bori pon po lapen ladak nang litum theklong lo alang litum latang so amelo arna malam kachithan chot kali alang litum lun ke kan nai hui kan sitame aning arong kachiti pon do lapen bibi ke sitame alang litum kal berpin deng chingthan persi lapang so asai pachun pon lo lapen theklong lo lagai si discipline sitame alang litum ka berpin do alang litum lason ini pamit kan si arna malam chithan pon lapen angbong malam sitame alang litum dak alna malam ke chithan penan par sitame dak lun ke kan nai hui sitame alang litum sai kedeng pondo lasi ilitum padel de treatment tangte non ladak organizer atum tolo alang litum penle etheni alam te kecing ke chithan pan bori polona lalo biblical baptist church fellowship atum ingdeng troxi alang litum ningkan sek amepi alira lon pen alang litum kedam tang chiklo ni phai engkora ner kep arni pen pini therepo chiklo ni phai hini mate angdung kiti arni lo la sidak ala bangso fellowship along a kongchun bang mate dak organizer atum dek lo la pen dak pastor alang litum aluhi aman pen ka chupa pondo alang litum pen sinili thithini alam theka chingki ka chathan pon je phan bori pon po ka ching sinili dak fellowship along a kongchun bang phan si ju poning tung ka ching sinili phan ni kar bilai pen kardom nang pajerek lo kardom nang litum kedam tang chiklo ni phai engkora ner ke pani pen pini ani an ko pipi asayang dengsi ke deng pon ma la pen nangli tuma fellowship angkang along mondoli ko andoma nang chithano ni jima jarso
ta choropar pik lo pini north east karbi light tim tum la da ke bang pen ang ko humri pot ni rong par pik lo la pen ali tum han choropar pik lo nili tum February 28 pen labang so March 2 tarik an 7 ang deng BBCFKA Biblical Baptist Church Karbiang Long Fellowship Annual Conference tabuson si pedobom wang bom lo lapen non ana mangke ingdeng troxian nilitum ladak pedopon lo ladak lake rongkang tim dipu town Baptist Church along si nilitum pedopon lo si nonomat lake nilitum BBCFKA under lake 17 churches an si dochala na fellowship kado kawepen lapen nilitum lahen lo ladak may piningkan segang bong pedo ke lahen lo BBCF ang kangang bong mondoli do an na korting giretum sitame chetong pet pen arnam alamalun sitame jethan pere je phansi nilitum ningkan segang bong amay yapuson si nilitum peman pon
nang litum ladak arna malam ke than je phan mate nang litum aluhi aman pen konana komama phansi ke chupa pon mai speaker bangkon doma amen ang thanon ni jima jarso
nilitum labang so may long cho pha ke bang ti speaker tum do alang litum bang et homo bang lake Karnataka Brahmawar pen selang litum bang lo lapen ke inut abang ke alang di Tripura pen si ke bang alang litum lake bahira pen lo lapen ladak local speaker dolang Reverend Singh Ingti alang litum pen yok siar na malam labang so sek ke alang litum pen si than pon lo
chorolo first of all Kardom how do you see the role of the church in promoting unity and harmony among the diverse communities of Karbi Anglong?
Surely the church is going to be a great help, especially when we develop the church and education. Our main importance is to give education to the downward community and the other people. When they get education, surely the church is going to be, the society is going to be improved, and society is going to be get great benefit out of it.
Okay, sir. My next question to you is, what message would you like to give the Christian youth of Karbi Anglong in maintaining their faith while also contributing to society?
Yeah, they need to trust in the Lord always, trust in the Lord with all their heart, and then surely, and then they need to distract from all kinds of drugs, the smoking and the liquor and everything, and so that their life can be better, and they will be able to lead a life that is pleasing to God, and also they will be a great blessing for the society.
Okay, sir. And my next question to you is, the people of Karbi Anglong have a rich culture and traditional heritage. How can the church work alongside culture organization to preserve values that align with biblical teachings?
Yes, biblical teaching always honors the cultural setup. And here also you can see that they are observing their culture. With their culture, they are going forward and moving forward. And surely, according to the culture only, we can develop a spiritual development. Spirituality, in a way, we can say that that will improve a person and improve personality, and they will be a great asset to the society.
Okay, my last question to you is, sir, as a spiritual leader, what is your vision for the growth of the church in Karbi Anglong in the coming years?
Yeah, surely as a spiritual leader, I can say that I want to unite all the children, or especially the youth. Youth is actually the tomorrow's citizen. They are going to rule our country, and they need to be developed spiritually in whatever it may be the spirituality that they believe. They need to grow in that, and surely my aim is that they will be able to grow in the grace and knowledge of Lord Jesus Christ. Surely that will help them to build the society, and through which Karbi Anglong is going to be having a great place in our country, India.
Thank you so much, sir, given your valuable time. Nangli tumapanta churolo lalo ladak ingdeng troxy alang litum ningkan isek amepi alang litum alir alon pen arna malam ke chitan pen chenglok alang litum ko sonsi kapangri kapangdon ponji mala pen aphang ke japon lenjima lahi hui pusita alang litum chingki chitan pen si pini angdong kiti arni nilitum any Karbi life team pen nang humri don si nangli tumapan arni wangta project la pen kenang soda berta nage paklang pibo son thotsi pini la thotsi tame nang paklang ponje panisi kabori ponlo lapen nilitum lamthi si pajutja prang alang lipen sitame ethe theni alam the nili chingki chetana phan nili ninghang keching sinang lipan sitame kardom nang pajedeklo nangli jasmet karbeng longarat phan kopia berta kopia message sinang li palengtong
to nang litum penisi kewang Karbi life atum kewang penapon litum ning rong pik pensia kunang litum afan kado wela mesen alam kachini ponjia fan nang litum along kewang posi ning rong par piglo piman litum la Karbi kado kawe litum kedoan atum setame ilitum kachini muchot lapen ahok ko suatu war pen si ilitum ka develop on thegi mala pen ilitum kelabang so ka develop ang bong pen ilitum akim me atu war phan pen isi akinang sot atu war ba isi ko son si ilitum pure the labang so kai kimi ason thak ilitum kamat hakimi lapen kai kimi lapen ilitum kachupuchi kimi lapen ilitum lapan si ining kimi lapen kaching hon thek lapen lakadho kawi ning kiding pen lakadho kawi kaching hon seroi pen lapan si arnam akang hon kelong atum ba arna makang hon kelong pon jia phan la pen munit atum ta kaching hon seroi pon thegi arna makang hon pen munit hian ta mi kaching hon seroi pen la hin kaching hon seroi cherap seroi pon thegi phan si la kadu kui rong rup pen ta min ni tum kapor I pon do
chorola ke hani le kongchun bang ke hai pan ke pa jutsi ar jik dat ji nang le tum mei phula pen kongchun bang amen nang che than ne ji le kongchun bang eklo sita president na pen nang lia sap so che pachini do ne ji ma nang le tum dak fellowship along mondoli troxy do la se ki bigi tum da chining tum duk thai la pen kar bang long kaprek tum ta chining tum duk thai la sing than ne ji ma
to hilitum BBCF ke A Biblical Baptist Church Karbiang Long labang song bong president ke Reverend Singh Ingti pula lapen nili abang nili men abang ke Reverend Edwardson Kathar ni lapen ke nonomat nili tum Karbiang Long la ke mopen ta nang than lo mondoli kretroksi an vaksinon madubo chola
chok chorolo ke hai la pen alang li tuma phan chorolo la pen ang li tuma phan la ansi pini ya birta ban ke na paklang thek chot po la pen ke bang jelanga por hut an so se Christian religion an chot kali kaprek religion ponon ham phangalong kaprek birta sita me nangwan pi bompo te bon sita me pini ya bang ke lan se engton pon kok po kada we phanta kurwang thu do me thakle